So we are here for the WiDS Cambridge Datathon, and the problem we are trying to solve is prediction of ADHD outcomes, that whether a person has ADHD or not, and the sex of the person. From a lot of data could be regarding how the parents actually treat the children, and a huge amount of fMRI data as well. So from all this huge database, we are trying to make these two key predictions, one for ADHD and the other for sex, and trying to correlate them and see if there are correlations that actually exist.
Cowgirl competitions, I feel like, are one of the best places to hone your skills outside of the classroom. What brought people here today is a combination of the feeling in the room of being in a room with a couple hundred female data scientists. That's always rare, getting less rare. I've talked to people in academia who are working on medical subject problems. I've talked to people who are working in civil infrastructure. I've talked to people just investigating basic model development, marine biologist, talked to a neuroscientist, people from all walks of life and all studies.
Yeah, so it really comes down to where they are in their AI journey. Some are really beginners and some are intermediate to advanced. So we try to cater to all those different types of needs here and build upon those experiences that we've already gone through in a couple of years being in the AI industry. Today our keynote speaker was Minsu Tingpin. She is a senior product manager and responsible AI team here. She touched upon a couple of problems. People do misjudge you for being competent or being aggressive as a woman in the tech industry. So how to navigate those challenges.
Even in data science right now, the amount of, the fraction of women compared to men, it's insignificant totally. So you need such safe spaces where you can just talk about the challenges that you face so that nobody feels that they are alone, that other women have went through the same journey, and you actually need to stand up for yourself to be able to make some impact in this world. So I think that's extremely important, and this is one simple step trying to achieve it. Yeah.